This is not just a bird. ये है sky का real king. Strong, fearless, always moving forward. आज एक new journey start होने वाली है. Every big dream starts small. एक छोटी सी branch से, step by step, एक नया घर बन रहा है. Day by day, वो बार-बार वापस आता है. Sticks, grass, small pieces, सब कुछ जोड़ता जा रहा है. Slowly, ये simple पीले बदल रहा है into a strong, safe home. Perfectly built, piece by piece. And finally, it's ready. ये सिर्फ एक nest नहीं. This is hard work. This is power. A place for new life. Time passed. और एक दिन, एक egg नजर आता है. Inside it, a new life is waiting. And then, something starts moving. Life is trying to come out. A small struggle. And finally, a baby eagle is born. Tiny, but brave. It opens its eyes and sees its mother. A connection, pure and strong. Now this is not just a nest. Ye ek family hai. A story of effort, love, and a new beginning.